So this section of the bags is where I keep my brushes. I have them organized by category. So we have crease brushes here, fluffy brushes, definer brushes, foundation brushes, concealer brushes, blush, powder, contour. I have a pair of cosmetic scissors right here. These are from Morphe, got these from Burlington, from the brand Baby. And then I have some more Morphe, some IT Cosmetics. I have some Ulta Beauty. I have a lip brush as well. So that is the overview. I have this brush cleaning device, great for on the go, from Real Techniques. I have the Morphe palette here. This is for brightener, bronzer, contour, blush, highlighter. This is in the palette shade here, Totally Tan. I have this great palette here, that shadow palette, Nude Mood for ColourPop. Super beautiful shades. I have the Danessa Myricks Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. I have the Sugar Lip Polish from Fresh for lip prep. These are the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb, also for skin prep. Also for lip prep, this is the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. I also have the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade, let's see here, Creme Brulee. So super cute. Here's a lip oil from Ulta Beauty in the shade 366. We have the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick here in the shade Pillow Talk. So beautiful. I have the Giorgio Armani lipstick here. This is in the shade 400. We have the Makeup Forever Waterproof Smoky Extravagant Mascara. For another primer, I have the Makeup Forever Hydra Booster. For my setting spray, I have the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Absolutely amazing. I have this MAC lipstick here in the shade Whirl. It's definitely my vibe, 90s vibe. I have a brow pencil here for Makeup Forever. This is the Aqua Resist Brow Filler in the shade Soft Brown 30. I have the Makeup by Mario eyeliner pencil here in Super Black. I have this other skin prep here from Clinique. This is the Moisture Surge. The ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ritz. Have some disposables here of cotton pads. We have some disposable foundation wedges. And I have some disposables here as well. We have lip brushes, mascara wand, or eyebrow brush wands, and then eyeliner wands or lash glue. So disposables are key. And last but not least, in this first pocket here, we have the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe Brushes palette. My Makeup Forever HD Skin in the shade 3N48. I also have the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in 3 different shades. I also have 2 other shades as well of this foundation. Over here we have some more disposables. I have a pair of tweezers from Ulta Beauty. I have a mini sharpener here from Makeup by Mario. I have a eyelash curler from Revlon. And we have the Laura Mercier translucent powder, setting powder. We have some Q-tips here. Always need Q-tips to clean up the eye or any mistakes, so those are great. We have this mini fan. I also have this mini fan from Amazon. It's great for setting the makeup. It's super affordable. It's great. Love the color. I have some hand sanitizer from Purell. Some disposables, sponges. I have this ring light here. It's a mini ring light for your phone. It also clips. And then I have a charger for that mini ring light. This is my mixing plate and spatula. Over here I have the LA Girl corrector. This is in the color, let's see here, orange. I also have the purple one or lavender one, and also the green one. And these are great. We also have the Jaclyn Cosmetics eyeshadow primer. I have 2 Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliners in the shade 0. I also have a Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Deep. I have the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. I have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation in the shade R540. I have the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. I have a small NARS foundation here, and this is in the shade, let's see, New Caledonia. Super cute. Here I have the Ardell Demi Wispies, 6 pairs. I have micellar water in this spray bottle. I have Cinema Secrets brush cleaner for spot cleaning. I have 70% alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. I have the Beauty So Clean Cosmetic Sanitizer Mist. I also have the Beauty So Clean Cosmetic Sanitizer Wipes as well. So I have lots of these.